Hello, my fellow booktubers and booktroverts and bookworms of the universe. It's Alex the Booktuber back at it again with another video. So for tonight, I am going to be unboxing the newest Kingdom Keepers book released by Ridley Pearson. So prepare to be amazed. Here it comes. Okay, let's see how it looks. Oh my goodness. This is Kingdom Keeper's Inheritance, the Shimmer. Wow. This cover is so cool, and I can't wait to read it pretty soon. And I wonder what the description is going to be. It looks like it's gonna probably take place in the future. And I think it might star one of the OG Kingdom Keeper's own children. And I can't wait to read this pretty soon. And on the cover, there's a boy and a girl, and there's the evil Jafar from Aladdin. And for those of you who do not know, is that in the Kingdom Keepers books, Jafar is actually one of the Overtakers. And the Overtakers is like this evil organization of Disney villains. And that's all I have to say for now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And please don't forget to go like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications for when you want to get notified for my next video in the future. And also, please remember to share my videos as much as you can with all your friends. And you can tell them to go subscribe to my channel, that I can continue making amazing book content for you all. And I love you all so much with my heart. Just like I know how much you guys love me too. And I'm really glad I finally got this book, even though it came out 2 days ago. And I think this shout out is gonna be for Ridley Pearson, because he is such an amazing author, and I am a big fan of his all work. And this shout out goes to you, Ridley Pearson, because you are such an imaginative writer, and you will always be one of my heroes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Good night.